This video will be adding users into our customer portal using our CSV uploader. So starting out, I'm in the Overview tab. I'm going to jump to the Manage tab to go to the Users section. And in here, I can find all of my users that I already have in my account. I can sort my user information by name, email address, or role. In this case here, I can also search for my users. So I can find myself, for example. I'm right there. I also would like to add users. So to add users, I can click on the Add Users and just enter them one at a time, entering in their full name, email address, and then choosing from a role. I'm going to go ahead and jump back out here. That would be great for one at a time, but we want to use the Import User CSV file format. So clicking on the Import Users, I can see here this gives me the ability to import based on the same information I requested prior. So first name, last name, email, and role. You can click Download Example to get started. That's an easy way to just file format. It will give you all the roles and information on that. I already have done that, so let me show you what I have bringing in. So I am going to be bringing in Jane Smith and John Doe. Those are the two folks I have with their email addresses that are going to be working with us, and their roles are admin and engineer. So if I save this file, I can then go ahead and go back here. I'm going to go to the next step, and I'm going to add in this file. So going into my desktop, I'll find that example CSV I created. Then I see here that I list out Jane Smith and John Doe. We've got admin and engineer listed right there. I can preview it. I could bring a different one in by accident if I brought the wrong one in, but I'm going to go ahead and say next step. If there was any misalignment with the naming information, I can realign that here, but mine looks good. And I'm going to go to next step. It's checking for any errors. It will tell us if there's any listed here. We do not have any errors, so then next is to go to import the data. Now when I get back to my account, I can see here that Jane Smith and John Doe are listed for us. So if we needed to make changes, they will automatically get notified of their email so that they will get a new password created for them. But we could go ahead and edit their account information now that they're in our account. If there was any errors there, I could actually delete them if I needed to. But I would keep them for now. So I now have an account ready to go with all my users.